What will your family gift you when you tell them we are having this for weekend? Hello, sweetie. Let me show you how to make delicious chicken wings for the family. It's going to be the best and the easiest way to enjoy chicken wings ever. And you are going to try this, and every group process you need to know, I'm going to show you on this video. To begin, guys, we are going to be needing chicken wings. Over here, we have 1 kg of chicken wings. So what we'll do next is for us to divide that into two. So this is the part you are going to cut it. You can use knife, you can as well use scissors. So just cut that between these joints. So this is just how I'm going to cut everything. So this is just for us to get everything come out perfect and the same time come out nice. So just break that into two and then use your scissors to just cut it a little bit like that, and then you have it. So this is how I get everything cut until I achieve it like this. So after getting everything cut into two like this, so what I do now is to get that wash. You can see how nice that look. So we are going to rinse that. All I do now is to transfer that back inside this bowl, and at the same time adding water that will enable me to wash that. So I get that wash about 3 to 4 occasions until I achieve it like this. So at this point I'm done washing. So now we are going to season that with this chicken spices. Next is to add in ginger garlic paste. Next is to add in onion powder, and at the same time add in black pepper. Next is for me to add in is salt. So add in oil. So next is to add in is lemon. So we are going to be needing the juice. So just squeeze out the lemon juice and then mix together. So now I'm going to massage everything until it come out perfect like this. So before we can proceed, we have to first of all let this to get rest for 30 minutes before we can make use of it. So you have to get marinate before we can just go for it. So what I do now is to just clean the bowl a little bit, then use this nylon to cover that to rest for 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, this is what I have. At this point, it has done marinating. You can see the oil has already set in at this point. So what I do now is to transfer the chicken back to the oven pan. So before I add that inside this oven pan, I have to first of all grease the oven pan with butter, then transfer all the chicken back inside the oven pan like this. After me adding everything like this, so this is the butter that I used to grease the pan. I just add in on top of it and then transfer that to the oven to do the job. So over here we have our oven. All I do now is to transfer the chicken back there and then set the oven. This get great about 30 minutes, and 30 minutes later, this is what I have. So this is me coming back to check it. At this point, it done so nice and I just love the outcome. See how gorgeous that look. It was so amazing. So this is just it. I will just keep it aside. So at this point in this pan, we are going to be adding butter. So next is to add in ginger garlic paste and then stir together. So after adding that, I'm going to be adding this pepper mix. So over here we have red bell pepper, onions and hot pepper blend together. So I just stir that a little bit. Now it's for me to add in tomato sauce and then salt to taste. Next is for us to add in is honey. Then adding the onion. Next is for us to add in chicken meat seasoning and the same time lemon. So this is the lemon that we cut earlier, and the same time adding the juice and stir together. So on this recipe you just need 1 lemon. Just divide that into 2 and then use it the same way I use mine. Now it's for us to add in this barbecue sauce and the same time add in soy sauce and then stir together. This is just so easy to get done. Like, you can easily get this done in the space of your kitchen, and you are going to eat as if you are the biggest restaurants in your area. So now you are going to be adding water and stir together. So after adding the water, I'm going to allow this sauce to cook for 20 minutes before I proceed. 20 minutes later, here we have the sauce. It cooks so nice and it's scented so amazing at this point. So what I do now is to stir together, and now I'm going to be adding the chicken inside the sauce at this point. This is me turning everything in, and then it's ready to do the job. So I'm just going to add in a little bit of water from the oven pan and then stir together. Have you shared this recipe? Like, have you shared? So guys, this is just for the sauce and the chicken to get simmer. So what I add now is coriander leaf, hot pepper and the same time scent leaf. I'm going to stir together. So this is going to enable this sauce to simmer, and then it's ready to enjoy. For this to get simmer, we are going to give that 20 minutes to get simmer so that the chicken and the sauce will get combined, and then after 20 minutes just ready to enjoy. 20 minutes later, guys, look at that. Oh my goodness, like, this was so amazing. This sauce sounds so nice. Like, this chicken wings is everything you need to try. If you haven't tried this before now, like, you are going to enjoy this sauce like as if what is going on here. It's so easy to get done, and at the same time it's so delicious. At this point it's ready. This is just it, guys. So all you have to do is to share, follow this process to make this delicious recipe for your family. Everyone around you is going to appreciate it. So this is one of the sauce I always went out to eat with my family. This weekend I said no, it's going to be nice for me to get this done at home for us to enjoy over here. So this is how I get this done. All you have to do is to follow this process to make this delicious sauce for your family. This chicken wings is everything you need to try. You can as well enjoy this with white rice. In my next one, bye.